Yo stud, what's up? So today we're going to be making a lettuce hem miniskirt jockstrap, which you can find on my Etsy page like so, link in description. You can also see all my other sewing patterns in the store like so. With the purchase you also get a summary page that will show up soon. That will show you all the sewing pieces needed for this garment, and also the materials needed. This design is also quite kinky and scandalous, which is quite good. Wow. Summary page. Refer back to that many times. So we're going to start off with attaching the miniskirt pieces together, right sides together at the edge. Also, we're going to do the pouch right sides together. Now the ass elastic part, just fold over, right sides together, and sew down. Then turn it inside out. Chuck the elastic through. The measurement for elastic is on the sewing pattern. It's basically just like the measurement from the side of your hip to your perineum times 2 minus a little bit of centimeters. And then sew down the elastic at the sides. So it doesn't like pop in or out. If using a stretch material, the stretch should go in the same grain as the elastic. Now for the pouch elastic, it should be 8 inches in length. Sew it from the top, stretch evenly, mark a halfway mark, and then put the halfway mark onto the halfway bottom seam of the pouch. Stretch evenly, and then once you've done that with a zigzag stitch or once, fold over twice, and then sew it again with zigzag stitch, stretching evenly. Now we're gonna do the lettuce hem. So basically you want to do high tension and then wide stitch width, and then pull as you go. So basically what I did for the stitch width was the highest level and the highest tension. And then just pull, and sew. You can do it doubly if you want. Just make sure you pull as you go. I think some people just do another stitch just above it, so then you can always see the lettuce hem, because sometimes it goes underneath and you can't see it. So you can do that if you want. I didn't do that, but I highly recommend that. And it should look something like that. Wow. Now what you want to gonna do is do the other one now. Hem. Pull. Double. Oh, look, it's done. Now what you're gonna do is put the longer side on the bottom and then sew the top of each together as shown. This is to make it easier when you do the waistband. that's how you do the waistband. So that doesn't apply. Just fold over the waistband like shown, and then leave a little gap so you can feed the elastic through. It's all on the sewing, the instructions that was just shown. So if you don't really understand it, just read to that. It'll be okay. Now you're just gonna put the feed elastic through the waistband, and then pop it out through the hole again. Sew the elastic together, check it back in there, and then sew shut the hole. And then that's done. Now we're gonna sew on the pouch to the waistband. So basically what you do, I'll put it on the sewing pattern as well because it's kind of complicated, but the wrong side of the top side of the wrong side of the pouch should be at the center of the front, and then you sew it to the wrong side of the waistband. That's quite complicated, but also use a zigzag stitch. But like as shown, if that makes sense to you, it'll be like drawn on the sewing pattern, so it'll be okay. Once that's done, we're going to do the ass elastics. So with the ass elastics, you're going to want to fold it in half and then just do a zigzag stitch that to the bottom of the pouch at the center. But you just need to sew it like just one side of the elastic. You don't need to double it up the elastic. Just one is fine. And then securely do that with a zigzag stitch a few times, maybe like 3 more times, just so it's really securely on there. And then for the other side, you're gonna want to make sure the elastic doesn't twist, and so that to the side of the waistband, the quarter, how do you say it? The center sides. Use a color matching stitch so you can't see it. Zigzag stitch it to that on the inner side, like shown. So do that for both sides. And then you're done. It's not that complicated. Once you get the hang of it, then it's quite simple, easy. And it should look something like that. Wow. Scandalous. Don't look up my skirt. I think that's I think that's the other thumbnail, but anyways. But it looks quite nice, I think. The fabric I used was like kind of shimmery, so it makes it look quite nice and soft. Oh, don't look, my god. And that's it. You can check out my other sewing patterns on my Etsy page. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want. Later, stud.